Gamour is right, this should be enough.
Only one way to find out.
For centuries, atoms were thought to be unbreakable. By 1932, Ernest Rutherford believed otherwise. A tiny, positively charged proton could reach an atomic nucleus. Matter itself could be transformed. The challenge was building a machine powerful enough to do it.
Get on with it!
Every atomic nucleus carries a positive electric charge. So does a proton. Like the north poles of two magnets, they repel each other. Only an enormous burst of energy could force a proton close enough for the strong nuclear force to take over. Rutherford had waited years for this moment. He wasn't interested in another rehearsal. Either the machine could overcome nature's electric barrier, or it couldn't. No one could watch a proton strike a nucleus. Instead, Walton searched for tiny flashes of light called scintillations. Each flash was the fingerprint of an invisible particle, revealing what human eyes could never see directly.
Do you see anything?
Not yet. Wait.
Then it happened. Tiny bursts of light appeared on the screen. A proton had penetrated a lithium nucleus, triggering the first successful artificial nuclear reaction in history.
Immediately, I saw scintillations.
The incoming proton did more than strike the nucleus.
It's real.
We have unlocked the very heart of the atom.
It transformed lithium into two helium nuclei that flew apart with tremendous energy. For the first time, scientists had deliberately changed one element into another, fulfilling a dream that had fascinated humanity since the age of the alchemists.